This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're making a tasty beef noodle soup. So this is a simple recipe. We're going to use the bones and the beef from our last recipe for beef stew. So it's going to be a simple but very tasty soup. So let's get started. So this is a recipe for a simple, tasty beef noodle soup. So I've got the bones left over from beef stew the other day. So this is blade steak. So I left a lot of the meat on the bones. So when you simmer the bones, we're going to use the meat here. So just put the bones in the water here. We're just going to parboil the beef bones for about 10 minutes or so, just to get rid of some of the impurities and some of the fat. So the beef bones have been going for about 10 minutes. So we're going to get rid of some of the impurities and some of the fat. We're going to dump the beef bones into the strainer. Just rinse it out with cold water. So you can see some of the beef underneath has some of the scum and the dirt on there. So that's it. I've got about 10 cups of water in the pot. I'm just going to bring that to a boil. So what you want to do is just bring out more flavor. So I'm going to put in a couple pieces of ginger. I'm going to put 3 whole garlic cloves in there. So if you have no other ingredients, this will bring out enough flavor to the soup stock. But if you want to make it a little more complex in flavor and more taste, you can add other ingredients. So we're going to try and approximate the kind of flavor we get in a Chinese beef stew. So it's going to have the same kind of taste as in a beef stew, but maybe not as strong, because this is a soup. So I'm just going to add a couple star anise in there just to bring up the flavor of the soup. I like dried orange peel in my beef stew, so I'm going to also put this in my soup. So I've got a piece here, so I'm going to keep it in 2 pieces here. So that should be enough. You don't want too much of it. Just going to put a bit of cinnamon in there, so that's maybe sort of around a half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. But if you have the cinnamon stick, that's even better. I like using Chu Ho paste, which has fermented bean curd. So it's a real good product for adding to Chinese beef stew. So I want a bit of that flavor from this sauce. I'm just going to put in just a small amount, like a teaspoon. So put that in there. I'm going to put in a bit of light soy sauce in there. So maybe say 2 teaspoons or so. So you can add salt to taste at the end. It might be salty enough, so you might not need to add salt, but you can taste it just before serving. You add some more salt if you like. So we're going to let the soup continue to simmer. So it's been over an hour right now, so I'm going to take out the beef bones and separate the meat from the bone. And we're going to put the meat back in after. So we're just going to take the beef bones out of the soup and separate the meat from the bone. I'm going to add some salt to the soup stock. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of salt. I have the sea salt here. It's a natural salt. So take out all the ingredients. You can leave the garlic in there, but take out the ginger, the dried orange peel, the star anise. So we're going to put the beef back in. The beef is a little bit chewy. So I'll put it back in for another, say, half hour to finish the stock. So now we're going to make some noodles for the beef noodle soup. So I got some water going at a boil here. We're going to put a tablespoon of salt here. And then I'm going to put some oil. I'm using peanut oil. So put a couple tablespoons in there. So I like using parquet noodles for soup. So this is a pretty good brand. Parquet, it's been around since I was a little kid. So this noodle you only need to boil for 5 minutes. I like to keep my noodles fairly firm. So I'm going to boil the noodles for about 5 minutes, take it out, and then when I'm ready to serve the beef noodle soup, I just add the noodles into the soup stock at that time. So you want the more tender noodles, you can put it in the water for a longer period of time. So the noodles have been in the water for about 5-6 minutes. So I'm going to take it off, put it in the strainer, and then run some cold water through the noodles. So this will get rid of some of the starches and also stop the cooking. There you have it, Chinese style beef noodle soup. Enjoy. The Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel has been awarded one of the top 20 Chinese food blogs and websites in the world. Thanks for checking out my video. For more videos, you can click here or here, and please subscribe by clicking the button over here.